In this Build Me session, you'll learn how to set up and manage item discount groups and how this feature can be used to implement your pricing strategy. You must review the Customer Price Groups Build Me video prior to this session. When setting up special pricing in Evasys, whether it's store pricing, customer price groups, or sales promotions, you have multiple pricing options, including fixed price, retail margin, percent discount, cost plus base price, and item discount level. Fixed price allows you to set a specific price for one or more items, such as $5. When fixed price is selected, every item in the Customer Price Group Detail filter will be the same price. Retail margin, commonly referred to as gross margin, allows you to apply a specific retail margin to a set of items. Retail margin should not be confused with markup. Gross margin is calculated as a percentage of revenue, whereas markup is based on a percentage of the total cost. Retail markup is not a pricing option in Evasys. Retail margin is a great option for store pricing, where you want Store A to maintain a 40% retail margin and Store B to maintain a 45% retail margin. Percent discount is a percentage off the retail price of the item, such as 10% off retail. Cost plus base price calculates the price of an item using a percentage over cost, such as 15% over cost. This is a common option for employees or wholesale customers. The last option is to use the item discount groups, which are the primary focus of this session. Item discount groups allow you to apply multiple discount percentages to items based on the selected level. For instance, by selecting Level 1 discounting, you could be applying a 10% discount to a bottle of chlorine and a 5% discount to service labor. So how exactly do item discount groups work? In Evasys, a discount group has levels of 1 through 10. Each level is a different discount percentage, such as 10% for Level 1 and 100% for Level 10. You then associate the discount group to a group of items, such as filters. When you create a price group and select Level 1 pricing, Evasys will know to apply a 10% discount to all the filters in your price group. Let's take a look at an example. We'll set up two item discount groups. Group A, which is applied to the equipment and accessories product line, has 10 levels, beginning with Level 1 at 10% and incrementally increasing by 10% up to Level 10 at 100%. Group B, which is assigned to the chemicals product line, has 10 levels, beginning with Level 1 at 5% and incrementally increasing by 5% up to Level 10 at 50%. Our customer, Parker Brax, purchases large quantities of product from us. Because of this, he receives Level 3 pricing on everything he buys in the store, so we need to create a customer price group for him. When we create the customer price group for Parker, we will select Level 3 from the Item Discount Level drop-down on the Quantity Price tab. Since Parker receives Level 3 pricing, he will receive a 30% discount on equipment and accessories and a 15% discount on chemicals. If we had not used the item discount groups, we would have been required to set up multiple filters in the customer price group. We would have created one group with a 30% discount and another group with a 15% discount. By using item discount groups, we only had to create one filter, and Evasys knew the appropriate discount to apply. So how do we set up item discount groups? Go to Administration, Inventory, General Setup, Item Discount Groups. Click Add to enter a new discount group. You must enter the group name, such as Service Products, and indicate whether or not this is the default discount group for new items. You will then enter discount percentages for each level. If a level is left blank, Evasys will not include it in the group. This means the item will not be discounted and the customer will pay full retail if the blank level is selected. While setting up your discount levels, you can test a specific item to verify the discount levels are working as expected. To test an item, click Select Item and choose an item from inventory. Click Select Item again and you'll be returned to the Item Discount group. The Test Discount Group columns now display the retail price, discount amount, and new retail margin using the percentages you entered. You can easily retest by entering new discount percentages and clicking Refresh Test. Make sure you click OK to save your changes. Now, let's look at the two item discount groups already set up for you. The first is called Default and has discount levels ranging from 5 to 50%. The other group is called No Discounts and has 0% for each level. Every item must have an item discount group assigned by default. As you may have guessed, Evasys assigns the default discount group to all items by default. You have the option to edit the discount levels for an existing group by highlighting the group name and clicking Update. Once your item discount groups are entered, you have two options for assigning discount groups to items. You can assign them to multiple items at once or one by one. We'll start by learning how to assign discount groups to multiple items at once. We want to assign our newly created Service Products discount group to all our service-related product lines. We'll start with the Parts and Service product lines. On the Item Discount Groups screen, highlight the Service Products discount group, then select the Mass Update menu option. This screen allows you to apply a discount group to an entire product line or subdepartment. In our example, we will select Service Products from the Discount Groups drop-down menu and Parts from the Product Line drop-down menu. If necessary, you can further filter by vendor or item type. Filtering by vendor might be useful if you receive lower margins from one vendor and need to apply lower discount levels to those items. Filtering by item type might be helpful if your labor type items are mixed into a product line with non-labor items and you want the labor items to receive lower discount levels. We won't filter by vendor or item type in our example, so we'll just click Apply Discount Group, click Yes to confirm our changes, and OK to save. We still need to apply this discount group to the Service product line, so we'll select Service from the drop-down menu and click Apply Discount Group. We could continue doing this until we had assigned all the necessary product lines or subdepartments. To verify your work, go to the In Use menu and locate the Parts and Service product lines. You should see Service Products listed as the discount group. Now let's look at how to assign discount levels one item at a time. We need to assign our newly created Service Products discount group to an automatic cover that isn't in the equipment product line. We'll go to the Main Inventory tab and select the automatic cover. From the item profile, select Pricing, then select the Service Products Discount group from the drop-down menu and click OK to save. Once the discount group is selected, you can click Show Discount Pricing Structure to view the discounted retail price for this item at each pricing level. You can also update the Service Products Discount group from here, but you are updating the discount levels for all items associated to this discount group and not just the automatic cover. Remember that item discount groups are designed to be used in conjunction with customer price groups, store pricing, and sales promotions. The final step in implementing your discount groups is to utilize them in one of these areas. You've completed the Item Discount Groups Build Me session. You may now access your Product Setup tool to complete the setup in your database. Please contact your project manager with any setup questions related to this video.